Okay, the first case that I have on the court's docket is cause number 25 CCCR 0660. Case of style the state of Texas versus Vu Hong. Vu Hong is on Zoom. Mr. Hong, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Yarn.
That's good. Mr. Hong, you're representing your case by your attorney, Brock White. Mr. White, how are you doing?
I'm good, Yarn. How are you this morning?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. White, what is your announcement? Mr. Williams, this is your case. What is your announcement in Mr. Hong's case?
Yarn, at this time, my client and I have gone over the case. If all discovery is in and the state's provided everything, we're prepared to go ahead and ask for a trial date, Your Honor.
Okay, we're gonna reset it for trial. Give us a trial date. It'll be April 20th. Okay, this case will be reset for trial April 20th of
Sorry, Your Honor,
2020.
what was that date? I didn't hear it.
April 20th of 2026 at 9 a.m.
I heard the 20th of 2026, Your Honor. What month? I'm sorry.
April
April 20th.
20th of 2026.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, at 9 a.m. Your reset will be sent to you and Mr. Hong. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset. You need to be in court on April 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. You're free to go. Mr. Vu Hong, you have a blessed day, and Mr. Brock White, you have a blessed day also.
Thank you, Your Honor. You guys have a great day also.
All right, you
Thank
see.
you, Yarn.
Thank you. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2452. Case of style of state of Texas versus Carter Joe Booth. Mr. Booth is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Booth, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Booth, you're representing your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore is not here. However, standing in for Mr. Galmore is attorney Haley Simmons, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
All right. And Mr. Booth, does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for attorney Dustin Galmore?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Booth's case?
Yes, Your Honor. If you could just give us a standard reset. We're still working through discovery. 30 days should be fine if allowed by the court.
Give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to April 22nd of 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Booth, your reset will be given to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Galmore, the reset will be sent to attorney Dustin Galmore. You're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Tizzle, are you here on that case? Oh, okay. Okay, no, well, nice seeing you. Let's see. Randy Johnson. Give me a. Mr. Johnson, Your full name is either Randy J. Johnson or Randy James Johnson? Randy what?
James.
Randy James Johnson, okay. How are you doing, Mr. Johnson? You look tired? Okay. Now, Mr. Johnson, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, you may put your hand down. Mr. Johnson, in cause number 24 CCCR 3020, I have before me a motion to revoke probation. This motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. Now, Mr. Johnson, in this motion, it alleges that you, Randy J. Johnson, on June 11th of 2025, while you were in county court at law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A offense of driving while intoxicated. You were found guilty and your punishment was assessed at a term of 180 days confinement in the Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $500. Your confinement was probated for a period of 15 months. In this motion, there are 6 allegations. Allegation 1 alleges that you, Randy Johnson, committed the offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation on or about December 12th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Allegation number 2 alleges that you, Randy J. Johnson, committed the offense of public intoxication on or about December 12th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleges that you failed to perform community service hours required as ordered by the court in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. Allegation number 4 alleges that you failed to provide verification of attending, enter, and successfully completing the Battering Intervention and Prevention Program, commonly referred to as BIP, or an approved anger management violence intervention program and pay all associated fees as ordered by the court in violation of condition 18 of your probation order. Condition number 5 alleged that you failed to enter and successfully complete the DW education classes and pay the required fee as ordered by the court in violation of condition number 19 of your probation order. Allegation number 6 alleges that you, Randy J. Johnson, drove a vehicle on or about the 15th day of December of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, that did not have the court-ordered auto ignition interlock system as directed in violation of condition of the additional condition 20 of the probation order. Now, Mr. Johnson, if the court finds that any one of these allegations are truth, the court can assess punishment in this case up to 180 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand? Now, cause number 24 CCCR 0774. In this case, I have a motion to revoke probation, and it alleges that you, Randy J. Johnson, was tried in County Court Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on the 7th day of August of 2024 for the offense of driving while intoxicated, which is a Class A misdemeanor. Court found that the evidence was sufficient to find you guilty, and your punishment was assessed at 180 days confinement, Jefferson County Jail, and a fine of $500. the confinement was probated for a period of confinement. Said confinement was probated for a period of 15 months, and it was extended 1 year. This motion has 6 allegations. And allegation 1 alleged that you've committed the offense of resisting arrest, search transportation on or about December 12th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1. Allegation number 2 alleged that you committed the offense of public intoxication on or about December 12th, 2025, Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleged that you failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court. And as of January 14th, 2026, you were $1,152 in arrears in violation of condition number 9. Allegation number 4 alleged that you failed to provide verification of entering and successfully completing the battery intervention and prevention program, commonly referred to as WIP, unapproved anger management violence intervention program, and paid all associated fees as ordered by the court in violation of the additional condition 10 of your probation order. Allegation number 5 alleged that you failed to enter successfully complete detailed education and pay the required fee as ordered by the court in violation of the additional condition 11 of your probation order. And allegation number 6 alleged that you drove a vehicle on or about December 15th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, that did not have the court-ordered auto ignition interlock system as directed in violation of condition 12 or the additional condition 12 of your probation order. Now, if the court find any one of these allegations to be true, the court can revoke your probation and assess punishment up to 180 days in jail. Do you understand? Now, Mr. Johnson, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have a right to have an attorney. And I have before me judge's explanation of rights to defendants without attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? And are these your initials on the line that state that you like to apply for court-appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigent. You recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a signature on the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Johnson, before you sign and initial all of these documents that I'm showing you, did you read the documents?
Yes.
Did you understand what you read? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, Mr. Johnson, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in your cases is Mr. Langston Adams. He will be given information to contact you, and you will also be given information to contact him. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get that information, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat at that chair and wait for your name to be called. Okay.
Get it? Sent it over.
Okay,
Remember,
yeah, you're free to go.
Oh, thank
You have a
sir.
blessed day.
Get the stream with that.
Here you go. I guess you can shred these. Which one is his? Okay. Jordan Sandifer.
You need to. You have to discover French. One percent.
Court is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 1188. Case is style State of Texas versus Jordan Clark Joseph Sandifer. Mr. Sandifer, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sandifer, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sandifer, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Sandifer? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Sandifer, you represented in your case by your attorney, Alan Parker. Attorney Parker, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge, thanks.
And Mr. Parker, do you waive a record in Mr. Sandifer's case?
We do.
State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you, Honor. And how are you and your staff?
We're doing great. Now, Mr. Sandifer, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jordan Clark Joseph Sandifer, on or about March 29th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with an alcohol concentration level of 0.15 or more. Mr. Sandifer,
The state will be abandoning the enhancement provision, Judge.
oh, you didn't write it on the form. You know, she's gonna have to redo the paperwork.
Sorry. We plead to the lesser included class. It's included DWI first state abandons
Perfect.
enhancement.
Okay.
Project.
Unlock the. If I unlock it. You got it? Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Sandifer. The state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph in this information, which means that instead of being charged with a Class A misdemeanor DWI, you'll be charged with a lesser included offense, which is a Class B misdemeanor DWI. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, to the lesser included offense of driving while intoxicated while you are operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, on or about March 29th of 2025, how do you plead guilty? Not guilty or no contest?
Contest.
Okay, you still got to mark it on your plea form right here.
Good.
When it transfers.
It's not on.
It must have, yeah.
Oh, you know what? When it locked, it must erase it.
No contest?
No, it's no contest, but you got to see the line that says lesser included.
It's not there. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I've had it down there where I've had everything filled out and I go back and double check and then the signature won't be on there.
Yeah,
And it was no question on there. I mean, there's times you forget, this I know,
yeah,
and then there's times you try to write on it, you write here and it's writing over there.
yeah.
Mr. Parker,
Yeah.
Okay,
they went on.
okay, okay. And you please, no contest to the less included offense? Yes, sir. Okay. I also have before me a document that is titled misdemeanor information. Yeah, you know what? It even erased the thing I wrote on it. Yeah,
You sure you wrote it?
yeah, I feel I wrote it. Yeah. Okay, now, Mr. Sandiford, I have before me a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishments. Do you recognize this document? Yes, sir. Okay, let's see, on page 2 of the same document, there's a set of initials GS on the line next to boxes check no contiguous, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document, sir? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant, is this your signature? Yes, sir. And on the next document, that's titled trial certification of defendant's right of appeal. You recognize this document? Yes, sir. And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? You understand that statement? Yes, sir. The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Yes, sir. I have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? Yes, sir. And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Yes, sir. Mr. Sandifer, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Yes, sir. And did you understand everything that he went over? Yes, sir. Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Yes, sir. Mr. Sandifer, are you a citizen of the United States? I am.
The state offers state's exhibit number 1, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objections? State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Parker, you have advised and counseled Mr. Sandifer. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Sandifer, your attorney, Mr. Parker, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Yes, sir. Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Yes, sir. Mr. Sandifer, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were free and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what's the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Judge. It would be 12 months deferred adjudication. There would be a $500 fine, 6 hours community service, and an interlock device with all of the standard conditions for a DWI first. Is that correct, Mr. Parker?
That's correct.
What's the court cost? Okay. Mr. Sandiford, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $377. You will also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100, probation fee of $60 a month, year announcement fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You will also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation, is $172 a month. Will you be able to pay the $172 a month?
Yes, sir.
You will also be required to perform 60 hours of community service, install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate, attend a completed DW education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and condition of this probation. Mr. Sandford, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Sandiford, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Sandiford, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will not result in a conviction on your record. The case will be dismissed, and you may qualify for a non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite confident in those matters. Now, Mr. Sandiford, you're going to stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you will be free to go. And you have a blessed day. And Mr. Parker, this is your last case. You're free to go as well. You have a blessed day. You're welcome. Who's representing for me? That's a dismissal.
I am judging that's a dismissal.
Okay, who? Okay, is Cormier here?
I'm sorry, that's not the person, Judge.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
No,
Let me see.
Cormier,
I did it.
Cormier is,
Yeah, Leah Cormier.
that's Boudreaux's client.
Yes, sir.
I mean, Boudreaux's.
I prepared a dismissal in that matter.
Is Boudreaux one?
She's here.
Yeah, okay,
Good to see you, Mr. Parker. You're welcome.
okay, we'll do that. Leah Nicole Cormier? Or Cormier? Cormier or Cormier? Cormier, okay. Louisiana, yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hey, good morning, Ms. Cormier. How are you doing?
Blessed, how are you?
I'm blessed as well. Thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Cormier, you are represented in this case by your attorney, Don Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux is not here at the moment. However, the state has filed a dismissal of your charge. Is that correct, say?
That is correct, Your Honor. We do not believe for substantive ends of justice would continue prosecution of this matter. And just as the court's aware, Christy Kaufman represents her in a different matter. She illuminated the state into the progress of Ms. Cormier, Judge, and we think this is proper dismissal at this time.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Good luck to you.
I'm signing this dismissal. Ms. Cormier. You'll be able to get a copy of this dismissal from our court partner.
Thank you.
And once you get a copy, you'll be free to go. And like to congratulate you on your progress that you're making in your other case. And congratulations on having this case dismissed.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, and you have a blessed day.
Have a blessed day. Stay safe.
All right, and keep up the good work.
Thank you. My daughter went
Yes.
Beautiful. She can do it.
Okay. What case is that?
I'm approaching on Judge, Mr. Rojas reset some cases yesterday, but I didn't tell you. Elizondo.
Okay, I'll get to that. Which one, what case you're portion?
Emmanuel Carrillo Taruka?
Taruka?
Yes, sir.
Emmanuel Carrillo Taruka? He was here.
He's here.
Yeah, I know. He's been here since,
He's been here a while.
since 8 o'clock. Yeah,
I was trying to get back to work. I did
Yeah.
not hearing this morning.
he was the first person in the building. That's okay, this is, clause number 25 CCCR 1860, case of style of state of Texas versus Emmanuel Carrillo Taruka. Mr. Taruka, is that your, Carrillo Taruka, is that your full name?
Es un nombre completo.
Okay, so you speak Spanish?
I wasn't sure.
Okay,
Um,
¿cómo está?
Bien.
Good. Now, what's your announcement?
Judge, this is a resisting arrest that arises out of an incident where he was also arrested for DWI. The DWI has not been filed yet. I'm asking this be reset to give the DWI a chance to get filed.
Okay, so they cleared out a same criminal episode.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay. And the state is represented in this case by Ms. Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine. You have any objections, Ms. Nixon, to
No
this case
objection.
being reset? Give us a reset date.
April 22nd.
This case will be reset to April 22nd.
What's the name?
This is Emmanuel Carrillo Taruka, page 4. Okay, this case will be reset to April 22nd. Mr. Rojas, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you and your client will be free to go.
Okay, I have some more.
Yes, I know. Oh, okay. You can tell them to have a blessed day.
I do have another one, Judge, that is not here, and I have lost contact.
Who is
with,
that?
Alberto Rivera or Jose.
Jose Alberto Rivera?
Yes, sir. We just have his name called, and he's not responding to any of my texts or letters.
Okay. Okay, Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 0341. Case of style of state of Texas versus Jose Alberto Rivera. Jose Alberto Rivera was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m. Jose Rivera's name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Jose Rivera did not answer. Jose Rivera has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. His attorney is here, Attorney Charles Rojas. He has informed the court that he has not had any contact with Mr. Rivera. And time now is 9:56 p.m. a.m. on today's date. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jose Rivera at the courthouse door?
Jose Rivera. Jose Rivera. Terrence, got it.
Okay, Jose Rivera's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Jose Rivera did not answer. He has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. State, do you have a motion to forfeit the bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Jose Rivera's bond will be forfeited and the warrant should be issued for his arrest. In cause number 25 CCCR 0341. Okay, and Mr. Ross, thank you.
I still have one.
You have some more? Okay, we'll get back with you.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm gonna send you his.
Who's good?
Oh, man.
I do have one. That's my plea. Gomez.
Okay. Ignacio.
Ignacio Gomez. 60 days in jail.
Gomez. I could, I can, give you. Ignacio Gomez.
Does Mr. Gomez speak a little English? I
It-
think he thinks he can get through.
Is he a,
I
yes,
do, I
citizen?
do, I do need one of those.
Okay, just so. Court is in session and cause number 25 CCCR 0428. Case is style of state of Texas versus Ignacio Gomez. And we have Mr. Ignacio Gomez before the court with his attorney, Attorney Charles Rojas. And Mr. Rojas has informed me that Mr. Gomez speaks English. Sometimes he has some problems with it. He also speaks Spanish. And so I will swear in Mr. Rojas, who is fluent in Spanish and English. Mr. Rojas, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Rojas, do you swear to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish, so help you out?
I do.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Rojas?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
That's good. Mr. Rojas, you can ask Mr. Ignacio Gomez if his full name is Ignacio Gomez.
Yes, sir.
And ask him to raise his right hand. Mr. Gomez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gomez, you may put your hand down. Como está?
Bien.
Bien? That's good. Now, Mr. Rojas, do you waive a record in Mr. Gomez's case?
We do, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gomez, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Ignacio Gomez, on or about July 3rd of 2024, while you are operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Mr. Gomez, do you understand what you have been charged with? Okay, to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
You say guilty? Okay, so it's pop. Okay, so it's guilty. And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Yes?
Porque si es cierto que eres culpable,
Yes.
tienes que hablar. Yes.
Yes, okay. Mr. Gomez, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? Are these your initials on the line at the bottom of this document? Your initials is below a paragraph that is titled Citizenship. This paragraph states that if you're not a citizen of the United States on a plea of guilty or nolo contendere, it may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand this paragraph? And do you still want to go forward with your plea? You do? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, IG, on a line that's titled guilty. Did you place your initials on this document? Yes. On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature? On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case. And you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document? Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Gomez, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I'm showing you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
Okay, now, you went over these documents with him in Spanish and English?
Yes, in Spanish.
Okay.
Just Spanish.
Did your attorney go over these documents with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yeah. Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Now, Mr. Gomez, I also have another document that is titled English Statement for All Foreign Nationals Except Those from Mandatory Notification Countries. Do you recognize this document? The last sentence asks the question, do you want us to notify your consular officers at this time? And the word no is circled. Is that correct?
Okay.
And did your attorney go over this document with you in Spanish? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So offered, Your Honor.
No
Any-
objection, Your Honor.
No objection, State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Rojas, who advised in counsel, Mr. Gomez, is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And pursuant to the case of Padilla versus Kentucky, did you advise your client of the consequences of him pleading guilty since he is not a citizen of the United States?
I did.
Or no contest?
I did.
Okay. Now, Mr. Gomez, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney? Okay. Mr. Gomez, I will accept your plea of guilty I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Let me do this here. And this is the plea form, that's the plea. Okay, now state, do we have a plea bargaining agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement? You can keep that.
Can you?
Oh, let me see.
It's gone little. Yes, Your Honor. The essential terms are as follows. We're going to do 60 days in jail, over 1 year probation, a $250 fine, 50 hours community service, and standard DWI first conditions.
Okay. Let me see. Okay. You are. What's the courthouse? Okay, Mr. Gomez. The state is offering that you serve 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $250 plus court costs of $392. You'll also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100, a probation fee of $60 a month, urinalysis fee of $15 a month, a reimbursement fee of $15, and you will be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month while you're on probation, is $151 a month. Will you be able to pay the $151 each month?
Really, I don't do much money. I don't know.
Does he have a, not, were you appointed in this case?
I was.
Oh, let me do this here. Well, I didn't know that. I didn't even calculate the attorney's fees. He's also required to pay, reimburse the county of fees of $350. Now, I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. You hand this document to your client. Do you recognize that document?
Yes.
Yes. Is everything in that document still true and correct today?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay, give it back to me. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Mr. Gomez. The court will find that you're indigent. And based on the finding of indigency, the fine of $250 plus court costs of $392 will be converted make sure. Will be converted to 51 hours of community service pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The attorney's fees of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $15 will be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fees will be reduced to the statutory minimum of $25 a month. You will be required to pay DWI conviction fine fee of $100. And you will be required to pay the urinalysis fee of $15 a month. Your total monthly fees in this case, that is your total amount that you will be required to pay each month is $53 a month. And will you be able to pay the $53 each month? You'll also be required to perform 50 hours of community service In addition to the 51 hours of community service that was converted from the fine and court calls, which comes to a total of 101 hours of community service. You'll be required to attend and complete a DW education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Gomez, do you understand the state's offer and the court's finding? And do you think that is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept it? Okay, Mr. Gomez, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Gomez, you'll stand next to, you did it.
It's.
Just tell him to have a seat in that chair and wait for his name to be called. Okay, Mr. Nation, your full name is Christopher Nation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Nation, you're representing your case by your attorney Tom Burbank, is that correct? Now, Mr. Burbank is currently in trial in a felony case next door, so he will not be here today. So your case will be reset. Our court coordinator will reset your case. Once you get your case reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you.
The case has been dismissed.
He has another one.
Yeah, he has you represent, well, first of all, Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's good.
Monday wasn't so good, but I'm fine.
Was you good? Well, that's good. You feel fine today. Yeah. So I'm glad you're having a good day.
Judge, Mr. Cornelius and I haven't really talked about either one of them.
Oh, okay. Let me do this here. I'll give y'all some time to talk. Okay, I'm gonna hold your case. Miss Middlebrooks, you can have a seat. Wait for, they're gonna talk, and then we'll call you back up. All right? And you take your time. This is Salvador Della Torre Garcia. I'm giving him some bond conditions. And let's see, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2940. Case is style of state of Texas versus Salvador Della Torre Garcia. And Mr. Della Torre Garcia speaks Spanish. We have our Spanish interpreter, Ms. Jennifer Raji. Mr. Raji, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to help you God?
Yes, Judge.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank you, yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, ask Mr. Salvador Della Torre Garcia if his full name is Salvador Della Torre Garcia.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Ask him to raise his right hand. Okay. Ask him, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God? Okay. You may put your hand down. ¿Cómo está?
Bien, bien, gracias.
Bien, good, gracias. Now, Mr. Della Torre Garcia, you have before you a doc. This is original.
Mr. Roebuck is.
Let me give him his app. Mr. Roebuck doesn't need to be here for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Della Torre Garcia. I've just handed you a document that's titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. And the document that you have before you, did Ms. Araji go over this document with you in Spanish?
Yes, Judge.
And did you understand everything that she went over?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now, Mr. Della Torre Garcia, regarding the GPS that you're supposed to get, you have 3 days to get it. And you need to provide proof to the court. You could either bring it to this courtroom, or if we're not in session, you could bring it to Mr. Raji at the front window. Or he can give it to his attorney and his attorney can email it. All right. All right. Now, his case is being reset, is that correct? What's the court date? Okay, his case is being reset to April 22nd, 2026. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Okay, you're welcome. All right, thank you, Mr. Roger. Did we get his reset? You got the reset? Okay. This is cause number 25 CCCR 2890. Case is style of state of Texas versus Amber Middlebrooks. And Ms. Middlebrooks is represented by attorney Don Boudreaux. And state is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, I have before me a motion to dismiss this case. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
Complaining witness is non-cooperative in the case and signed a statement of non-prosecution. Therefore, the state would not be able to sustain their burden of proof, Judge.
Okay, so this case is being dismissed. Ms. Middlebrooks, I'm signing the dismissal. Once I finish signing this dismissal, you can get a copy of this dismissal from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
First cheapest.
Okay, all right, Mr. Boudreaux. You'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Now, Mr.
Now, her police report, and I wanna visit with her about that. And, I just want one announcement reset with her, because I talked to her yesterday. And I do have her,
Okay, Ms.
blood
Edgerton,
and stuff. So I just want one
would you
reset.
please come forward?
And I have,
How are you doing, Ms. Edgerton?
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Edgerton, you're represented in your case by your attorney Langston Adams. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
I can't complain, doing well.
And Mr. Adams, what is your announcement in Ms. Edgerton's case?
Just one reset is all I want.
Okay, state, you have any objections?
None at all, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date.
April 22nd.
This case will be reset to April 22nd, 2026. And once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Just meet me outside.
Okay. Is that Dania Mitchell? Danielle? Okay, would you please come forward? Ms. Mitchell, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms.
One for each one. Thank you.
What is that?
That's for you. That's for you. That's for
What is
you.
this? Oh, since they
This will
completed
be
that?
dismissed for completion of anger management.
Oh,
Dismissal for completion of anger management.
was that correct, Sec?
Yeah, let me, just
Oh, okay.
put it up, Judge.
Here you go. You want, is this the copy for
That's
the
yours.
court?
That's yours.
We're gonna put that in the file. That door is locked, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Okay. I prepared that now, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Mitchell, your case is going to be dismissed. I'll sign the dismissal as soon as the state file it in a few minutes. And you'll be able to get a copy of it before you leave. And once you get a copy of it, you'll be free to go.
Okay, yeah, I will get a copy though today, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Just have a seat in that
Thank you.
chair and wait for your name to be called.
Y'all-
And Mr. Adams, that's his last case. You're free to go.
Good, well, we good?
Yes, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
case, law number 2 is in session and calls number M331908. Case of Style of State of Texas versus Travis LaShawn Gilkey. Mr. Gilkey, is that your full name? Mr. Gilkey, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear, affirm, and tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Gilkey, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Gilkey? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking, Mr. Gilkey. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Todd LeBlanc, and Mr. LeBlanc. How are you doing?
Good, Judge.
Mr. LeBlanc, do you waive a record in Mr. Gilkey's case?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. Gilkey, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges, that you, Travis LaShawn Gilkey, on or about December 12th of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense, driving while intoxicated with alcohol concentration.
Judge,
Just listen to what I said. This information said that. However, the state is abandoning the enhancement paragraph in this information, which makes this a Class B misdemeanor offense, a lesser included offense. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
Now, to the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No content.
Now, you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily.
Free.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Do not wish to fight.
Okay. Now, Mr. Gilkey, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no connector, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document, there's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Sir.
Do we have the discovery certification?
something I forgot.
Yeah. Disappeared. Okay. Now, Mr. Gilkey, I also have before me on paper a document that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line? It's titled Defendant?
Sure.
Mr. Gilkey, before you sign and initial all of these documents that I'm showing you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? Did you understand everything that he went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Sir.
Mr. Gilkey, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection. Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. LeBlanc, you advising counsel, Mr. Gilkey, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
And Mr. Gilkey, your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gilkey, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Judge. It will be 15 months deferred adjudication, a $300 fine, 50 hours community service, the interlock device and all other standards with the DWI first. Is that correct, Mr. LeBlanc?
It is.
Okay. And Mr. LeBlanc, were you appointed in this case?
I was, Your Honor.
Okay. What's the court cost?
390.
$390. 92?
Yes, sir. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Gilkey. The state is offering that you serve 15 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 15-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $392. You'll be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100, required to pay probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. You'll be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $163 a month. Will you be able to pay the $163 each month?
Yeah, I should be.
Okay. You'll also be required to perform 50 hours of community service. You'll be required to install and complete, and you'll be required to install an interlock device in any vehicle that you own or operate. You'll be required to attend and complete a DWI education class, have an alcohol assessment, and adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Mr. Gilkey, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Gilkey, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Gilkey, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It would not result in conviction in your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. Gilkey, you'll stand next to the bailiff. Oh, just have a seat in that first chair, wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, you'll go and follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. LeBlanc, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Is that it?
While we're here, let me check something, Your Honor.
No.
We're set for, sorry.
No, let me see. Middleton, now dismissed. Dismissed.
That means
This. Did we, was there supposed to be a dismissal on ballot?
we already did it.
We did? Okay, all right, okay. Let's see. We did that. We did that, okay. So we have no more bond forfeitures. This will conclude the calling of the motion to revoke probation docket and the announcement docket in County Court Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding, court will be in recess to resume with the trial 1:30 this afternoon.